Anyone looking to save money on groceries and eat healthier? Today we're going to be tackling two of the biggest challenges of modern life, eating healthy while saving money on food. And I think you're going to find that the solutions are simpler and tastier than you think. Hello, I'm Donna DeRosa. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a lifestyle and wellness coach specializing in the Mediterranean diet and longevity. I'm the author of these two beautiful cookbooks. So let's talk today about saving money on food. Food prices are rising and are predicted to continue rising for some time. We're all feeling the pain at the market. Let's talk about how the Mediterranean diet can save you money. First of all, what is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is not a strict diet in the traditional sense. It's a way of eating that's rich in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats like olive oil. It's about delicious fish and seafood, lean protein, a moderate amount of dairy, and even some red wine. This way of eating is renowned for its health benefits, from heart health to longevity. It's a luxurious, elegant way of eating, and surprisingly, it doesn't break the bank. Let me show you how. Focus on plant-based proteins. My first secret is to lean heavily into plant-based proteins. Meat can be expensive, and while the Mediterranean diet includes fish and some poultry, its foundation is often beans, lentils, and chickpeas. These are very affordable. They are packed with protein and fiber and are incredibly versatile. A large bag of dried lentils can cost just a few dollars and provide multiple meals. Compare that to the price of beef. Think about making a big batch of lentil soup, or a hearty chickpea stew, or even homemade hummus. You'll be amazed at how satisfying and budget-friendly these options are. Plus, they store well, making meal prep easy. Embrace seasonal and local produce. My second tip is to shop smart with seasonal local produce. Here in New Jersey, we have fantastic farm markets, especially in the warmer months. When fruits and vegetables are in season, they're not only at their peak flavor and nutritional value, they are also significantly cheaper. For example, this month we are entering fall. Buying imported out-of-season berries will cost you, but you can get fresh local apples for a fraction of the price. In some areas, you can even make a fun day out of it and pick your own. Plan your meals around what's abundant and available right now. This not only saves you money, but also encourages variety in your diet. Don't be afraid to try new vegetables that you find on sale. Buy in bulk and cook your meals. Convenience foods like prepackaged foods or eating out at restaurants and getting takeout can come with a hefty price tag, and often include hidden ingredients like extra fats, sugars, and salt. The Mediterranean diet encourages simple, whole foods. You can purchase whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats in larger quantities. They have a long shelf life and are much less expensive per serving when bought this way. Nuts and seeds, which are also a healthy part of the Mediterranean diet, can also be more economical when bought in bulk. Store them properly to keep them fresh. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated or take a lot of time. A simple pasta dish with olive oil, garlic, tomatoes, and some spinach is quick, healthy, delicious, and inexpensive. Cooking at home also gives you control over the ingredients and your portion sizes. Be strategic in your protein choices. While plant-based proteins are favored on this diet, the Mediterranean diet also includes lean meats and fish. To save money here, be strategic. Fresh fish can be expensive. Fresh salmon is less expensive than some of the other fishes and is very good for you. Don't forget you can also get protein from more affordable options like canned tuna or sardines. They're packed with omega-3s and perfect for salads or quick meals. Look for sales on frozen fish fillets or more economical cuts of poultry like chicken thighs. And remember, meat is often used as an accent in Mediterranean cooking. The focus of your plate should be vegetables and whole grains. Think of meat and fish as a side dish. A smaller portion of grilled chicken or fish alongside a large salad or grain dish is perfectly authentic and budget-friendly. Here are some more general tips. Plan your meals. Planning weekly meals helps you create a shopping list and avoid impulsive costly purchases. Base your meal plans on sale items and seasonal produce to maximize savings. Pay attention to weekly flyers and coupons for additional savings on your Mediterranean staples. Meal prep. Another tip is to cook large batches of staple ingredients, like lentils, grains, or roasted vegetables, to be used in different meals throughout the week. Repurpose leftovers to create new dishes, like turning leftover veggies into a pasta sauce. Minimize food waste by using up older vegetables in soups or stews. Make your own croutons from stale bread, and use vegetable scraps to make flavorful stock. Saving money on food doesn't have to be a struggle or a compromise. The Mediterranean diet offers a delicious, sustainable, and highly affordable plan to help you eat healthier and save money. Give it a try this week. Your wallet and your taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite budget-friendly Mediterranean meal? Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon.